Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to about the stock market. Let's dive in. The stock market is a dynamic marketplace where individuals and institutions come together to buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It's where investors trade ownership in these companies, seeking to profit from their growth and success. Stock exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and NASDAQ, provide a platform for buyers and sellers to trade stocks. They facilitate the buying and selling process. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy shares, you become a shareholder, entitled to a portion of the company's profits and assets. Stocks can be classified into different types, such as common and preferred stocks. The stock market operates on the principles of supply and demand. When there is high demand for a particular stock, its price tends to rise. Conversely, when there is low demand, the price may decline. This fluctuation in prices creates opportunities for investors to buy and sell stocks. Various participants contribute to the functioning of the stock market. These include individual investors, institutional investors like pension funds and mutual funds, traders, and market makers. Each participant brings unique perspectives and influences the market's dynamics. Market indices, such as the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, represent a basket of stocks used to gauge the overall performance of the market or specific sectors. They provide investors with insights into market trends and can serve as benchmarks for their own portfolios. Investing in the stock market involves both risks and rewards. Stocks can offer the potential for capital appreciation and dividends, but they also come with volatility and the risk of loss. It's important to understand your risk tolerance. The stock market can be influenced by a multitude of factors, including economic indicators, company earnings reports, geopolitical events, and investor sentiment. Successful investing in the stock market often involves a long-term perspective. Time in the market rather than timing the market is key. Strategies like dollar-cost averaging and diversification can help mitigate risks and potentially enhance returns. That wraps up our quick exploration of the stock market. It's a dynamic and ever-evolving marketplace that offers opportunities for growth and wealth creation. Thank you for joining us.